Hi, my name is Daisy P. Cadorna, 25 years of age, from the Philippines. I'm an experienced customer service representative, outbound calls, and sales management, a cold caller, lead generator, and an appointment setter with mixed experience and value in the field of solar and real estate for U.S. campaign from 2018 up to 2022. I'm also a social media manager on social media sites such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and email campaigns. I also have experience as a customer service representative of Amazon Seller Central, where I handled customer queries, item issues, order trackings, replacement, and refunds. I started my virtual assistant journey last 2018 up to 2022. I used to be a marketing liaison in Agent Inc., a real estate company, from 2023 to 2024. I am also able to work fast paced while processing confidential information with a high degree accuracy. I have good communication skills. I am willing to be trained and open to constructive criticism. So if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Have a great day.